Layoffs don't happen overnight. Companies don't just wake up and decide to fire people. The truth is, the warning signs are always there. Most of us ignore them until it's too late. One of my friend who was working as a Power Platform developer was laid off recently. He was not a bad performer. He was not lazy. The company just decided to restructure. Today I will share 11 clear red flags that your job might be in danger so that you can act before it's too late. Sudden workload. When a company wants to prepare for your exit, you will often get extra tasks on your plate. It's not an appreciation, it's a knowledge transfer. You are working late every day and doing double work, but still nobody is recognizing your effort because they want to extract everything you know before they will ask you to leave. Critical projects taken away. One day you are leading a big project, next day someone else is handling it. When important responsibilities are quietly reassigned, it usually means the company does not see you in their future plan. Strange silence in meetings. Earlier, you were invited to every discussion, your ideas mattered, but now your opinion are ignored or you are not even in the meeting invite. That sudden silence around you is not an accident, it's a warning. Sparks disappear first. Suddenly, the free coffee machine stops working, team lunches are cancelled, or that annual bonus get quietly postponed. These little cuts may look harmless, but in reality, they are trial runs before the company make much bigger cuts like jobs. Your boss become distant. When a manager knows you are on the exit list, their behavior changes. They avoid eye contact, give shorter replies, and stop involving you in future planning. It's not personal, it's the guilt mixed with corporate reality. Someone else doing your job. Notice if another colleague suddenly starts shadowing you or overlapping your work, that's usually mean the company is training your replacement. Personal goals used against you. Personal milestones should be moments of joy, but in some companies they quietly becomes reasons to push you aside. Marriages, maternity, or family leave can turn into excuses for replacing you. Imagine you had just returned from your marriage, and after that, you came to know that your role is already gone. Rumors often turn out true. Don't ignore office gossips. Many times, people know about layoffs before HR makes it official. If you keep hearing the same thing from different colleagues, it's not just casual talk, it might be real. And the whole industry struggles. If big player in your industry starts cutting jobs, it's a warning sign. Companies often follow each other. For example, when major IT firms announces layoff, smaller ones usually do the same after some time. Money never lies. When revenue keeps dropping and expenses keep rising, trouble is near. Companies may smile in town halls, but the numbers never lie. If you notice hiring freezes, shrinking budgets, layoffs are usually not far behind. And the last one is unexpected HR invites. The scariest sign, a sudden calendar invite from HR with no agenda, no title, no reason, just a time slot. That's when you know it's not a good news. So, but here is the truth, layoffs are painful, but they don't define you. Your company can take your title, not your talent. Stay loyal to your skills, not just your employer. At Course Elevate, our mission is to help you sharpen those skills. If you want to stay ahead of competition, don't just wait for the future, prepare for it. Subscribe now and share it with someone who needs this today. Take care.